Today, I went out with my family to eat Shanghai 菜. It was a typical Chinese restaurant setup. So, as you can see, there was 碗, a bowl for rice, 盘子, a plate for dishes you want to try, 筷子, a pair of chopsticks, 一杯水, a glass of water, or sometimes 热茶, hot tea. But today was really hot, so I ordered 冰茶 and iced tea instead. The dishes are here. Let's get some rice first, then we can get ready to dig in. We ordered some 豆腐, 肉, and some 青菜, and of course, 汤. It was so good. After that, I went downstairs to the food court and grabbed some 冰淇淋 for dessert. It was a great day.
Self-learning made easy.